Right, so this is my hunting setup for my e-bike, or hunting e-bike. Couple gun boots, both sides. You can carry 2 guns. The old milk crate, good old milk crate. Stack hat. And yeah. I made this rear rack, and then put an air shock in it. And this is the dashboard. This is my phone, which I'm holding now. This one. And then that's my cheapy GoPro. And then this is the front rack. I've got a bag coming, and I've got a bit of Steno grill I'm going to put across the top of that. I'll just zip tie it on. That's a red filtered light. Just good old Repco pushy light, just if I need extra light or I'm skinning an animal, I can just point that where I'm at without having the bike going. So I can, just turn off the bike light. We'll have to turn off the ignition. Well, that's all gone, and still got a light, It's not a big light, but I'll use a headlight too, but it just gives me a bit of peripheral vision when I'm out in the paddock if I am out of a night. And got a tool bag on the front. I'll probably put my ammo in there. And it's got a divider so I can have me ammo and my shells separate. It just unzips at the moment. It's under the light, so I just lock that back, lock that light back. And then I've got access to the bag with a zipper. Trying to do this one-handed, almost impossible. So there you go. That's that little divider in there. You can make it all 4 compartments if you want. You can have a 4 lots of ammo. It's got Velcro attachments inside. Yeah, so pretty happy so far. I can't wait to get out on it and actually use it. But I just thought I'd run you over the bike, how I've made everything and how I've set it up. I do have trouble throwing my leg over the seat because of my hips and back and that leg. So once I'm on them right, what I'll do is I'll park it on a slope so it's facing uphill sort of thing, like leaning uphill. And then hop on from the upside position onto the bike, I think. Not real steep, because otherwise I'll hop over and probably fall over with it. So yeah, so that's how I've got it. I hope I never drop it with a decent rifle in here. Like, they're solid, but I'd hate to think what would happen if you bent it that way or something. They're pretty solid. Like, it'll take a real whack to stop it. And I've got a little GoPro mount down there too. Down here. So I can swap positions, take the bag off if I want. If I'm not 100% happy with this part, I ordered a steering brace or handlebar brace, and it wouldn't work. The angles, I'd angle on these. So I made my own bar, accessory bar on the handlebars. Hopefully it holds together. Got everything as tight as I can make it without breaking something. But all in all, yeah, pretty impressed with it so far. Anyway, that's how I set up my hunting e-bike. Probably some other mods later on. But that's a good deal. Motocross tyres, proper motocross tyres, not eBay tyres. No, eBay, e-bike tyres, they're rubbish. And yeah, front and back, same tyres, they're 90, I think 100, 90 by 100 by 90 by 100 by 16s. And you can get them on eBay. They're cheap as chips. I bought the pair of tires for 78 bucks, so they were on special. But they're on all the you know, the little what are they called? Pit bikes. So yeah, that's me. Got a few stickers on already. See, Remington. But that's where we're at. And this is what I reckon is pretty cool. No risk, no story. I've been risking a lot of shit all my life. Nothing changes. Anyway, I'll catch us out there. Stay cool, eh? Stay safe and enjoy life. See yous.